welcome back to another special episode, back by popular demand, Jeff the Chef. Today it's all about joy. I get the joy, 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 joy down in my heart, down in my heart, down in... All right, I'm getting carried away. I'm sorry. Yeah, get back to the cooking here. All right, what do we... oh yeah, joy. Here it is. I'm going to show you today how to make a Midwest delicacy called Buckeyes. Now this brings back some joyful memories as a child. In southern Indiana, we would gather up these nuts and shell them, and they were called Buckeyes. And we would string them together and make necklaces out of them until our parents saw what we were doing and told us that they were poisonous. So after that, we decided to do something else. But anyway, mine are not poisonous, guaranteed to bring joy to your heart. Here's all you need to do. Start first with 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I accurately measure that out, throw it in the pan. Let's see. All right. Then, after that, butter. Butter's important. Butter with the peanut butter. That makes it a double butter delight. All right. And then next is powdered sugar. You delicately open the bag. Oh, oops. And you dump some in there. You're going to need 1 3/4 cup. Make sure you don't make a mess of this stuff. It's terrible to clean up. My assistant Judy just hates it when I do that. Put in 1. And yeah, exactly. Well, maybe not. And 3/4. There you go. All right. Then you take that, and you don't use the spoon that you lick. You get another one over here, and then you delicately stir with feeling. I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart. After just enough amount of time and delicate kneading, you have this beautiful mixture of stuff, all right? And what you do is then you make that, and you make that into these little bitty balls. That's the beginning of the Buckeye. There you go. And you make several of these because these are really good and you'll want to eat a lot of them. You take it and you expertly roll it in the palm of your hand into a perfect sphere, and then gently place it on the tray. And now it's time to get that secret sauce recipe to make the Buckeye what it is. What you do is you take chocolate chips, 4 ounces, accurately measure those into the bowl or 1/10 of a cup and put them in the bowl. And this is real simple, folks. This is all you do. You take some butter, you throw that in there, and then I found out how to work the stove this week. You put it over here in this pan of boiling water. This is called a Dutch oven, only I don't have one of those, so this is maybe a, I don't know, an American oven. But here we go. In Jeff the Chef's kitchen, we also want to teach you what not to do. Because if you do this wrong, your chocolate syrup turns out like this. And that makes it a little hard to dip the Buckeyes in. So we'll be right back once I figure out how to make this soft enough to put the peanut butter balls in. And if the stove fails you, always you can go to the microwave. Put the chocolate chips in the microwave, bring them out, stir them around. Oh, perfect for something. I'm not sure what, but we're going. And now what you do is you take the peanut butter and you dip it into the Buckeyes. The Buckeyes into the peanut butter. And it evenly coats it. And then you, you set it out to dry. Well, folks, you know what? If all else fails and you can't make the Buckeyes like me, there's always something else that brings joy to your life, especially if you are a football fan. You can take what you've done, set up a couple things, And oh yeah, I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart.